Hello YouTube, this is Dar from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here today with just a little project share. And I have been promising you guys since I started that collab in 2017 that I was going to get back on working on my nutting album that I have been working on. And yes, so my girls and I, we were on FaceTime. We were on Messenger on Facebook. We did this little group call and we were chit-chatting, and I was like working on my project. So I did get page completed, so I'm just going to show you what I did, and I'm going to finish that. That's one of my goals this year. So I used the We Are Member Keepers gem die set and some of the bling. This is a Dream by Crafter's Companion. This is the My Rose die, Make It Beautiful. And then I used this one right here, which is what's her name? I got it covered up. Hold on. It's one of my new ones, Scarlet. Just want to make sure. So this is Scarlet. And that's, I got her on the back. Okay. So anyway, it has the one that says Fabulous is Always in Style, Hello Gorgeous, Lipstick, Purse, and Scarlet. So I wanted to use her. And then I had this Princess Diamond cut. And when I bought this last year, from Tuesday morning for $2.99. That was, January of this year. So it had to be sometime this year. I got it for $2.99, and I was like, I wanted to use this for the background. I knew I wanted to use one of the diamond prints. My daughter named Diamond, so I love diamonds anyway. But I got this. I said I'm going to do something with it to use my prima doll. So I cut the paper down 9.5 by 9 by 12, excuse me, because that's the size my my binders are 9 by 12, and I layered the paper. Even though it was thick enough, but I still layered it. And then I created my little layout, and this is what I did. So I layered her dress. So under here is some shimmery, I don't know if you can really see that, but it's a shimmery white, like the wedding kind of paper with a shimmer in it. This is the metallic silver paper that you get with the craft on the back from Michaels. And then this is red glitter paper that I got from Michaels as well. So that's layered. And then the two We Are Member Keepers dies, Make It Beautiful by the My Rose, and I put a little bling there. And as you can see, there's some little bling here, some small ones, and some large ones there. There's a little bling on her bow, around her neck, at her waist, and on her wrist. And then that Dream in the shadow. So it says Dream, Make It Beautiful. At first I had this white on top of the word Dream was in white, but I just realized it didn't pop enough. So, and I used my Spectrum Noir markers to, outline that is a little bit of the gray and that in the black, just so you can see the creases in her dress and in her bow. And I color her skin and her hair with my Spectrum Noir markers. And then I took my paint marker and went around the edges in silver. So hopefully you like it, and hopefully that inspires you. That is my layout for 2020 finally, to get some more into my journal books. I'm so excited because I'm almost finished this book. But I thought it turned out really, really cute. And I just thought to do something different with the dress, the colors and stuff like that. So that is her little pearl, her little diamond. But anyway, so that is it. So Dream and Make It Beautiful. So hopefully, again, we do have a collab going on that first Saturday of the month, where we are showing you about how to use your prima dolls. We give you a challenge, and then you have the next day by midnight to get it done, and then we pick a winner on that Wednesday, that following week. But anyway, this is just a side project that I'm doing myself because I'm trying to finish my album. So that is what I chose to do. So again, just take your nice background and just stick your doll on it. You don't have to do anything elaborate, but you can make it fun and use the resources that you have. And I think she turned out really pretty, and I love the page, and I think it's really fun. So I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.